thrilled to have PropTalk Magazine here today in my shop, and I'm Larry Lauterbach with Lauterbach Custom Boats in Chester, Maryland. Started building race boats at the age of probably 12 or 13 years old with my dad back in Portsmouth, Virginia. He started our company in 1947. I moved it up here in 1990, up here being to Chester, Maryland. The Lauterbach name has been continuously building boats since 1947 for 72 years now. So pretty proud of that. And I had a 44-year career in racing and driving. It was okay, I guess. I was 12-time national champion and set 9 world records, so I guess I had a pretty good career. And was put in the American Powerboat Association's Hall of Champions in 3 different decades, the 80s, the 90s, and the 2000s. So I decided to quit after that. This is my 5th two-seater boat. I took one of my 1986 design hydroplanes, widened it out. We put side-by-side seats on them. Put water-cooled exhaust. We put transmissions, and we use them for pleasure boats. We play with them on the rivers and lakes around the country. This particular boat was built for Bobby Murray in Raleigh, North Carolina. Bobby's an old boat racer, a young old boat racer, and he's buying this to play with on a lake down in Raleigh. The boat is going to be powered by a small block Chevrolet, and you can see it's 22 feet long. Engine will sit up in here, and then the driver will be back here, and the rider will be back in here, and we'll put the water-cooled exhaust on it, and just use it for pleasure boat. It's the 5th one I built, so it's really become a popular boat. So I've been pretty busy just playing with these recreational boats, I guess you'd call them. Even though they are race boats, we just use them for recreation. We just take them to different events. We have vintage events that we carry them to. I'll be leaving in 2 weeks to go to Various, Florida for a vintage hydroplane race down there on regatta, not racing. So the Classic Boating Magazine was nice enough to do a feature on me in 2004 on that first boat there. It was built in 1947 in Ventnor, New Jersey by a fellow over in Baltimore named Fred Sweeney. It's a 225 race boat. It had been lengthened out to a 7-liter race boat in the 60s. And then the gentleman down in Atlanta, Georgia found it and brought it to me to restore it. He wanted to go back to the original length and the original design, so I've shrunk it back down to 17 feet from 19 feet. And we're going to put a 6-cylinder Gray Marine engine in it, which it was raced with back in the 40s. This has been a good fill-in project. Alan Brady, who I'm doing it for, said just work on it whenever you can, Larry. So it's kind of a fill-in job, and that makes it nice. In fact, my Uncle Norman, my dad's older Lauterbach brother, he worked for Ventnor in the 40s. I can see some of Uncle Norman's crazy ideas in this thing, but it goes from a V-bottom to a concave bottom to a step bottom, all in 17 feet. But we got to realize this is 1947 technology, what today's technology. But it's been a fun project, and it's coming along. I got to get back on it. And all the cowlings were made out of fabrics back then. I got to frame up some framework and then wrap the canvas around it and start putting the hardware in here. But this has been a good project, and I hope to have it done sometime later on this year as well. All 3 of my boats I got working in my shop right now, I want to get out of here by the end of the year so we can start on some other projects next year. Over here is the 4th or 5th, and the boat, I'm not sure which one gets finished first. This boat's going to California. A guy named Joe Bullock in California ordered this boat, and it's the same as that boat. Might be different powers, and he wants to put a veteran scheme on it. He wants me to paint the boat like an American flag, put the eagle on it, and he wants to go around to all the Wounded Warriors different events and take the boat there and give Wounded Warriors a ride on a hydroplane. That's pretty cool. And then that's what we're going to do with this boat. He's going to do other things with it, but he wants me to paint it like an American flag. And we're going to take care of the Wounded Warriors. It'll be fun. Welcome to Lauterbach Custom Boats, and I hope that you've enjoyed your stay.